Usually for burn from heat, like if a pizza burns you.
Let's challenge.
There's no challenge here.
It's gonna be a challenge, Sean.
No contest.
Yeah, right. You will try this
No
first.
contest.
You will try this first. Let me see. Take me.
I eat jalapenos, just jalapenos like they're pickles.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Now you're like.
Hon, you throw them in the garbage. I eat them. I tried to
Okay.
stop you from throwing them in the garbage and you grabbed it out of my hand.
Did you see that? How very a lot of things. There is a lot of a mixed stuff in here.
Okay.
This is a ramen noodles. We did a challenge, guys, and you know what? I win.
And then it hurts again when you poop it out.
Oh, it's crazy. What I'm gonna do with the 3 boxes? I'm gonna sell it. You guys want it?
No, you just don't have to put all the spice in it. Make it less.
Yeah, I know. Some people do that.
Only bread house. You know what else you try? Sugar on top.
Yeah, sugar. That's what I said. Take it in your.
Salt.
I know. Because I'm so like in a hurry.
Sugar
Because
is usually for burn from heat, like if a pizza burns you. Bread for.
why bread helps?
Well,
Something? Do you want something treats? Roxy? You want treats? Huh? Okay, I'll give you some treats. I'll give you some treats here. You have treats here, different kind of treats. I don't know what I'm going to give. I think I'll give this. Sit up. Sit up. Good girl. You too, sit up. Good girl. Good girls. Huh? Tell me about it. Thank you. Don't close it because I need the wind. Oh my god, the car inside is very crazy. The inside of this car is crazy, guys. Oof. Oof. So hot. So hot, so hot. Oh. Just put that in. Oh, you're gonna do it. He does. His hair is wet, guys. That's why he's doing that.
not really wet.
It's dry already. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll get a little bit moisture.
Okay, let's see if it works. Hopefully it won't break the glass of that heaty ice.
Oh, shit.
Do the thing to get rid of the heatiness first.
Yeah, the pipes.
Yeah.
Take a minute before you can pull down.
Yeah. Wow, it's hot. The wind.
It is 91 degrees.
Oh, it's like Philippines. Philippine hot.
That's always not Philippines.
You get used to it when you live there.
I can see how used to you are.
Huh?
I can see how used to you are. Oh, I just got into the hotel. I'm dying. I'm dying.
You're right now. You're over drama.
Please, just go to the hotel. I'm dying.
Honey, that's not me. It's you.
Huh?
Seriously, I never complain like that. When I
Oh,
stay,
yeah, when you were in the Philippines by yourself.
I stay long enough in the house, and then you're the one who just keep going back to the hotel.
I admit, I can't take the heat, and it's really hot. You know it's really hot. I'm really get out. Please.
And I have to stay in the hotel. I called him. The last time I went to the Philippines, I called him. I said, Han, I will stay for like 3 days in the hotel and bring my family and my sister and the kids with me.
When you went to the other hotel, you picked the first time.
Which
You're
one?
like, oh, yeah, you picked that hotel, and you complained about that.
That's not even a hotel. It's a boarding house.
Oh, whatever it was, you picked it.
It's not me picking it. My sister, my aunt picked that, and then I have to do it because it's cheap. You know, it's like for the whole month, guys. For the whole month is 3,000. But we stayed there for like 2 weeks.
The funny part was the only hotel that was good that we found in the Philippines was one I picked.
Which one is that?
Big Apple.
Well,
The one I told you, this guy's from New York. No, they're not from New York. This is the Philippines. I'm telling you, no one of this hotel's from New York.
No, he's a Filipino living here in New York.
But they're from New York. They didn't have from New York. I thought he was from New York and twice from the Philippines.
What is going on over here?
It's a bad one. Okay.
So then this guy just.
Close the gas guy.
No. Okay. So
It was just right in front of me, like this, right long took me to do.
just to close it?
No, just cut right in front of me like that. When you're on the highway, you did that same move to another cab. The other cab, going the wrong person now.
Really?
Yeah, it's only your fault. Non-drive, piece of shit.
And then damage your car.
And then I'm responsible.
So
Not learn ever.
my husband's always bitching about whatever I do.
Well, you've only done it like 10 times. 10 times it's fallen off. 10 times you keep doing it and expect it to be different this time. Like, you know what they say about like the definition of mental retardation, right?
So now I'm mental.
You keep doing the same thing and expect a different result.
Whatever. I really have the bad effect, guys, of that ramen noodles. Bad effect. My eyes is just killing. My eyes is killing me, and I'm so sleepy, tired.
Still from the hot
Ramen.
stuff?
Yeah. The key doesn't register, guys, to turn the engine on.
Great.
What happened?
I see the key.
What are you going to do? Oh shit. Can you undo that? This is the problem of having a remote key.
Yeah, I really hate this crap.
So now we have a thing over here. It's gonna go bad. You should bring your other key.
The other one's dead too, and that one never gets used.
How you can undid that?
No batteries.
The car is on and we're in East because he need to get batteries. Hopefully he can find the batteries in here. And he's checking the number. And yeah, so thank God the car started. Like, I don't know what he did. He just like keep pushing the gas or something, the brakes or whatever that he's doing. Hi guys, I am making, but I'll show you. Now it's boiling to get rid. There's a lot of green onions over there, scallions. And yeah, so I let that thing. My husband is marinating the chicken. I'm making some zucchini. I'm just gonna stir fry with it with the butter. That's really it. Pancit. Smells good. It smells so good. Oh my god, Dad is coming. He ran away. And this is afraid of your face. They would run. Oh my god, this dog are like scary. Okay, Andy. Okay, Andy. Okay. Where's Roxy? Okay. Okay. Roxy, come here, Rox. Do it. Go, hon. Like what you... No, go. Do like what you did. I wanna see your reaction. Look at Roxy. Look at Sushi. Oh my god, Roxy. You're something. Oh my god. No, Mrs. coming. Roxy, you are a scary cat. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will end this vlog now, guys, and I would like to say good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye. Good night, guys. Yeah, night.